Sometimes we overload ourselves with tasks. At work, at home, wouldn't it be nice if there was a way to have our hands free for multitasking? Introducing HiiDii, the smart glasses that you can use to control different devices. The HiiDii glasses have many applications and come in a variety of lens options, including anti-blue, sunglass, and prescription lenses. With frames that come in 2 different colors, the glasses' unique look offers adjustable ear hooks and a nose pad sensor that is ergonomically designed to be comfortable. Powered by a long battery life and high Bluetooth compatibility, HiiDii's chip and sensor help you navigate hands-free on Mac, Windows, and Android. HiiDii smart glasses are user-friendly and very convenient. Blinking once easily activates the left click button, which can single-click on PC or open an app on your mobile device. Blinking twice activates the double-click function. It opens a file on your PC or laptop. Blinking twice quickly activates the hold function, which acts as a long press button. This allows you to drag your windows or long press for apps like Voice Messenger. To right-click, blink once and wait for the letter R to pop up. Blink again to easily navigate menus and content. The HiiDii Smart app collects data that enables the user to have a better and more comfortable experience. The battery charges quickly and can last up to 8 hours. Simply place the glasses on your head. Adjust the ear hooks for comfort and you're ready to go. The HiiDii glasses are great for work projects, such as preparing a presentation. If you need drag or scroll, activate the hold function by blinking twice quickly. Then a cursor pops up which allows you to scroll up on your content, all while enjoying a hands-free experience. Ever find yourself in the middle of a project and can't get to your device? The glasses offer convenience so you can answer the phone or follow a recipe and never have your project disrupted. The HiiDii glasses work in any environment and can offer a revolutionary way to use your devices. Get yourself a pair of HiiDii glasses today and enjoy the hands-free experience.